dude, welcome to my YouTube channel. However, this is cs50 final project. So my cs50 final project is all about a quiz game written in C programming and also written in Python. So we only have 3 minutes to do this video and we have to be fast. To run the C program, we just have to do the / and the name followed by the name of the program you wish to run. In my own case, it's C quiz game, and we hit enter. And you can see if you press 5, we're going to start, and if you press 0, it's going to quit. So let me quickly press 0, and you can see it says the quiz has ended. Same goes for when we press 5, the game begins. I will reduce the screen so that we can just proceed. Alright, so I already know the answers, so I will be very fast because I set the question myself due to the limited time frame we have by. So as soon as we answered all the questions, it's going to prompt for your name, and we click enter. You can see that I had everything aside from 1. Alright, I could do the same for the Python program. It's basically the same, but I just wrote the language in C and as well in Python. So to begin a Python program, it starts with the name Python, followed by the name of the program you want, python.py. Alright, so my Python program starts with prompting us for your name. Unlike the C, you have to answer the question before you prompt us for your name. So, and as well, I also added city in this one. So I already know the answer, like I will be fast in order for us to beat the time given. Alright, so you can see I scored 9 correctly over 21 because I was just inputting random answers due to the time. So this was CS50, and if we quickly scroll to our source code, you can see all I basically did was to input my header, pass in my variables and my condition, then the quiz question and answer.